Morning, everybody. Hope y'all are doing well. Look at that gorgeous sunrise. And I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. There's a plane flying through there too. Anyways, thought I'd give y'all a update as to what's going on with my car. It is at the shop. Got there yesterday, and since I'd done the check on it on the test light at the Advanced Auto, I believe it was, and it came back that it was spark plugs, and the car is like acting really bad. I went ahead and left it at the auto shop, and they had to redo my lease that I took out so that I'll be able to afford to take care of the spark plugs as well. And there was another code that came up, but I don't know what it was, so they're going to check that code as well. So for now, the car is still at the shop. Hopefully I'll get it back later today, which would be nice. Hopefully it'll be working correctly after having gone through catalytic converter now and heat manifold and now whatever needs to be done. You guys, I was stressed because I'm going to have a big bill to pay each month. But the good news is at least I'll have the car working and be able to get around and get to doctor's appointments and stuff. Since I had a appointment for tomorrow and wasn't sure whether or not I'd be able to make it, and that was for my cancer surgery. It's just to go in and get seen. It's going to be on the 30th now, which would give enough time because I had a staph infection that happened from the biopsy site. Since that and all that, they decided to go ahead and make it for the 30th. So that's good news because it means I'm not worrying about whether I'm going to get there tomorrow or not. And yeah, so that's a good thing. Just keep your fingers and toesies and stuff crossed for me that I get the vehicle back quickly and that everything is good. You guys, I'm hoping that this video is going to come out okay. I'll turn it back up this way just in case. Because, you know, I don't know whether or not... Yeah, that is a beautiful sunrise. So, I don't know whether or not it's going to actually come out, this video. But, at least you get to hear me talking. And, you know, it's half and half here, so sorry. Anyways, you guys, I love you. And I will see y'all soon. Love ya. Bye.